Okay, so obviously you need pen and paper, pencil, and measuring tape. And so if you guys have not seen my Lydia, the spiderweb poncho, I will link it down below for you guys to check out the first part, because that one I kind of show you guys how to drape and trace onto pen and paper the center seam, the neckline, and shoulder line, right? And then from there we create our poncho. So I kind of want to skip that part in this tutorial just because, again, if you've already seen it, I want to move forward, okay? And if you guys have not, I'll link it down below. Okay, so like always, from high point shoulder, measure 9, right? And so yeah, we're just measuring 9 all the way. And then we're going to repeat the same steps for the back as well. I already did the seam allowance, and I always like to open up my pattern just because it makes it easier when I'm cutting on the fabric. Okay, so we're done with the first layer of the poncho or cape. And so for the second layer, that's the longer piece, you would basically use the back piece. It would just be longer. So pieces are cut. Now let's start sewing the first layer. Okay, so the pieces have been sewn. I also added the boa feather trim, and now we're going to connect everything together. So the first thing I'm going to do is just mark the middle back. So I can connect these two in the middle, the first and the second layer. So I have layer 1 and layer 2 underneath, and so everything's pinned. If you want, you can sew to stay in place, but I want to sew everything at the same time, so I'm going to start pinning the hood. So this is going to go on the outside, so pinning the centers first. Everything's sewn. Let's go put it on the dress form. And this is how it turned out. So I know that the boa feathers does give it a little bit a different look, but I am trying to use the material that I have in my sewing room. So yeah, but obviously you can do the furry trim, the other kind. But yeah, I love it. So yeah, let me turn it to the back. And this is the back. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video a little bit helpful on how to make your own Princess Belle's Christmas cape. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.